Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Hello, fellow drivers. Thank you for joining us. Buckle up for an important discussion today. We're delving into the crucial role of proper vehicle wheel alignment to help keep you safe on the roads. Stick around to learn why this seemingly small detail is a big deal for your safety. The importance of proper vehicle wheel alignment for safety. Vehicle wheel alignment is a critical aspect of vehicle maintenance that directly impacts safety on the road. Proper wheel alignment ensures that all four wheels are parallel or perpendicular to each other, maximizing tire performance and preventing uneven tire wear. In this post, we will explore the importance of wheel alignment for vehicle safety and performance. We will also discuss the signs that indicate a need for wheel alignment and how regular maintenance can help prevent potential safety hazards on the road. What is wheel alignment? Wheel alignment refers to the adjustment of a vehicle's suspension, the system that connects the vehicle to its wheels. Proper wheel alignment means that the angles of the tires are set to manufacturer specifications. This ensures that your vehicle drives straight and true, without pulling to one side. The importance of proper alignment. Proper wheel alignment is crucial for several reasons. First, it promotes even tire wear, which extends the lifespan of your tires and saves you money in the long run. Second, it enhances driving safety by ensuring that your vehicle maintains stable handling and optimal grip on the road. Lastly, it improves fuel efficiency by reducing rolling resistance and minimizing drag caused by misaligned wheels. Signs of misaligned wheels. How can you tell if your wheels are out of alignment? Watch out for uneven tire wear, steering wheel vibration, or your vehicle pulling to one side. These signs could indicate the need for a wheel alignment to prevent further damage to your tires and suspension components. Causes of wheel misalignment. Several factors can contribute to wheel misalignment, including hitting curbs or potholes, worn suspension components, or even a minor fender bender. Regularly driving on uneven roads or rough terrain can also lead to misaligned wheels over time. Benefits of regular wheel alignment. Regular wheel alignment not only ensures safety and efficiency but also contributes to a smoother driving experience. By addressing alignment issues promptly, you can prevent premature tire wear and maintain optimal vehicle performance, promoting a more enjoyable and secure driving experience. Importance of proper wheel alignment. Proper wheel alignment is crucial for maintaining the safety and performance of a vehicle. It impacts various aspects of driving, including tire wear, fuel efficiency, and overall vehicle handling. Tire wear. Improper wheel alignment can cause uneven tire wear, leading to the need for premature replacements. When the wheels are not properly aligned, they exert uneven pressure on the tires, resulting in worn-out treads. This not only affects the longevity of the tires but also compromises the vehicle's grip on the road, especially in challenging weather conditions. Fuel efficiency. A vehicle with misaligned wheels may experience increased rolling resistance, which can negatively impact fuel efficiency. This means the engine has to work harder to propel the car forward, resulting in more fuel consumption. Proper wheel alignment ensures that the wheels roll at the correct angles, reducing unnecessary friction and optimizing fuel economy. Vehicle handling. Correct wheel alignment contributes to precise and predictable vehicle handling. When the wheels are properly aligned, the driver experiences better steering response and overall control of the vehicle. This is particularly important in emergency situations where swift and accurate maneuvering can make a significant difference in avoiding accidents. Ensuring proper wheel alignment is an essential part of vehicle maintenance, directly influencing safety and performance on the road. Safety implications of incorrect wheel alignment, tire wear, and traction. Incorrect wheel alignment can lead to uneven tire wear, diminishing the tire's ability to grip the road surface effectively. This reduces traction and increases the risk of skidding or loss of control, particularly in wet or icy conditions. As the tires wear unevenly, the vehicle's stability and ability to respond to sudden maneuvers are compromised, posing a serious safety hazard to both the driver and other road users. Steering stability. Proper wheel alignment ensures that the vehicle's steering system functions as intended. When alignment is off, the steering wheel may pull to one side, requiring constant steering correction to maintain a straight path. This can be not only frustrating but also dangerous, as the driver may need to exert extra force to keep the vehicle on course, leading to fatigue and delayed response in emergency situations. Stress on suspension components and incorrect wheel alignment places undue stress on various suspension components, such as the shocks, struts, and steering linkage. This can accelerate wear and tear, potentially leading to premature failure of these critical parts. A compromised suspension system not only affects the vehicle's handling and ride comfort but also jeopardizes safety by reducing the driver's ability to maintain precise control over the vehicle. Hey there! If you like what you're seeing, drop a comment below. And a thumbs up if it's hitting the spot. Don't forget to share with friends who might dig this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Impact on braking performance. Proper wheel alignment plays a significant role in ensuring optimal braking performance. Misaligned wheels can result in uneven brake pad wear, causing the brakes to apply unevenly and reducing their effectiveness. This can lead to longer stopping distances and compromised responsiveness, increasing the likelihood of accidents, especially in sudden braking situations or when navigating steep descents. Overall vehicle stability. In essence, correct wheel alignment is foundational to a vehicle's overall stability and safety. A misaligned vehicle is more prone to unpredictable handling, increased susceptibility to external forces, and decreased overall control. These safety implications underscore the critical importance of regular wheel alignments in maintaining a safe driving experience for both the driver and fellow road users. Benefits of regular wheel alignment. Regular wheel alignment offers a variety of benefits to vehicle owners. Properly aligned wheels contribute to safety, performance, and cost savings. Here are some key advantages. Safety enhancement. Properly aligned wheels promote better handling and control of the vehicle. This ensures optimal traction and reduces the risk of accidents, especially during sudden maneuvers or emergency braking. Extended tire lifespan. A well-aligned vehicle experiences even tire wear, prolonging the lifespan of the tires. Uneven wear, caused by misaligned wheels, can lead to premature tire replacements, resulting in unnecessary expenses. Improved fuel efficiency. Correctly aligned wheels reduce rolling resistance, which contributes to enhanced fuel efficiency. This leads to cost savings over time, making regular wheel alignment an economical choice for vehicle owners. Enhanced driving comfort. Well-aligned wheels provide a smoother driving experience by minimizing vibrations and steering wheel oscillation. This improves overall comfort for the driver and passengers during journeys of any length. Prevention of costly repairs. Regular wheel alignment can prevent damage to steering and suspension components caused by misalignment. By avoiding these issues, vehicle owners can save on potential costly repairs and maintenance down the road. Professional wheel alignment services. Proper wheel alignment is crucial for vehicle safety and performance. It ensures that the tires are perpendicular to the ground and parallel to each other, maximizing tire life and fuel efficiency. Misaligned wheels can lead to uneven tire wear, pulling to one side, and compromised vehicle handling. Advanced alignment technologies. Professional wheel alignment services utilize advanced technologies such as laser alignment systems and computerized alignment machines. These tools provide precise measurements and adjustments to ensure that the wheels are perfectly aligned according to manufacturer specifications. Expert evaluation and adjustment. Experienced technicians conduct a comprehensive evaluation of the vehicle's suspension and steering components before making any adjustments. By considering factors like camber, caster, and toe angles, they can accurately align the wheels to optimize vehicle stability and steering response. Enhanced driving experience. By investing in professional wheel alignment services, drivers can experience a smoother and more controlled ride. Properly aligned wheels contribute to a balanced and comfortable driving experience, reducing the risk of uneven tire wear and potential safety hazards on the road. Long-term cost savings. While some may see wheel alignment as an additional expense, it is a preventive measure that can save money in the long run. Proper alignment extends tire life, improves fuel efficiency, and reduces the need for premature suspension repairs, ultimately saving drivers from costly maintenance and replacements. DIY wheel alignment tips. Checking tire pressure. Maintaining the correct tire pressure is crucial for proper wheel alignment. Use a tire pressure gauge to check the pressure in each tire, including the spare. Refer to the vehicle's manual or the sticker inside the driver's door for the recommended pressure levels. Underinflated or overinflated tires can lead to uneven wear and affect the vehicle's alignment. Inspecting tread wear. Regularly inspect the tread wear on your tires. Uneven wear patterns can indicate alignment issues. Look for signs of cupping, feathering, or uneven wear on the outer or inner edges. If you notice irregular wear, it may be time for a professional alignment check. DIY string method. If you're up for a more hands-on approach, the string method can help you get a rough idea of your vehicle's alignment. Park the vehicle on a level surface, and using a length of string, measure the distance from the front and back of the tires at the same height. This method can give you a general indication of whether the wheels are properly aligned. Using alignment tools. Consider investing in a basic alignment toolkit, which often includes a camber gauge, caster, and toe plates. While using these tools requires some technical know-how, they can be useful for making minor adjustments to your vehicle's alignment with professional services. Regular professional alignment checks. Even if you perform DIY alignment checks, it's essential to have your vehicle professionally aligned regularly. Professional technicians have the expertise and equipment to accurately diagnose and correct alignment issues, ensuring your safety on the road. In conclusion, vehicle wheel alignment plays a crucial role in ensuring safety on the road. By maintaining proper wheel alignment, drivers can experience improved handling, better fuel efficiency, and longer tire lifespan. Additionally, accurate alignment reduces the risk of accidents caused by steering issues and uneven tire wear. Prioritizing regular wheel alignments not only enhances safety but also contributes to a smoother driving experience and cost savings in the long run. Therefore, staying proactive about wheel alignment is an essential aspect of vehicle maintenance that should not be overlooked. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.